lovelies, welcome again to my channel, La Martinez Mode. I received a package from babalabag.co. It's a beautiful handbag that we're going to unbox together. Just a quick overview. Babalabag is an online retail brand. They do make premium handbag at the highest quality. Wait until you discover this bag, then you're gonna know what exactly I'm talking about. By premium, I mean highest quality, real leather materials being used on these bags. So these bags give you the exact same quality as the high-end or luxury items, and you get to have it at a fraction of price. I got the packaging. All right, I received my box and let's unbox it together. And that goes to say thank you so much, Babalabag, for sponsoring this video. Here we are. Right, you see, you know, if you know, you know. We're gonna focus on quality, everything else, you know, the material, the feel, the texture, and all that. Right, so this is my bag, and it came with the packaging just like the original. So this is how it looks. There we go. Comes with this cover. Right, all the notes on how to maintain the bag, rain protection instructions, you know, to keep your bag safe if you happen to be going out with it and then it's raining. You've got all these accessories, you have your card there. I just love the packaging as well, by the way. I just love how the bag came. The packaging itself shows you how of a high quality this bag is. It comes with the dust bag, as you can see, with the logo, everything else. The quality of the dust bag itself, insane. Right, so already you can see the color that I took the bag into. I know this bag comes in many colors. You've got the black, you've got the brown, the grayish, whatever color, but this is the Ethiopian color. OMG, ladies, do you want me to come close? Okay, I'll come close. Take a look. Take a look at this beautiful bag. Can you see the quality? Can you see the leather? This is not faux leather. It's not some polyester or whatever material. This is made of 100% leather. Can you see the finishing? This is the back, the bottom. Can you see that these are removable? Plastic that they put just to kind of protect your bag. I just love the whole Ethiopian color and the gold finishing. This is insane. I mean, I'm gonna do a little bit of outfit ideas for this video for you to see how you can style this bag with so many items in your wardrobe. I just love it. I really love this bag. As you can see, the quality is insane. So the size, like I was saying, this is in the 30. I feel like the 30 is the perfect size that you can carry and whenever you can. So we've got the accessories inside, so I'm just gonna try to remove all this because I'm literally going to style this for you guys with some outfits in this video, just to show you how you can style this bag. I'm in love. I mean, I love this. This is how it looks inside. So it comes with the accessories as well. I mean, the locker and the little thingy, you know, that you can attach to it and hang it together. So here's the locker with the keys. Yeah, you get the keys inside, and inside there's so much room. You know, you've got a little pocket inside there. So I'll take that off, and here we are. Just look at that outfit of the day for today. I think we're literally ready to go. This, you always have to hold it like this, you know. added the accessories. As you can see, I just couldn't put this one. I'm gonna do this a bit later once I finish this video. So ladies, if you're looking, like I said at the beginning of this video, if you're looking for high quality luxury premium material handbag made of real premium material, check the description box. I've put a link to the website. It's called babalabag.co, and I've also put a link to this particular handbag if you'd like to get the exact bag. However, they have a range of many selection that you can pick from. Whatever luxury brand out there that you know, they have it. They're making it with the exact same premium material. I'm gonna leave everything, including my discount code. You are treated for this video. You can get this bag or any bag on the Babala website with my discount code, and then you save yourself some extra pounds or extra dollars. Wherever you are around the world, they do ship internationally, in the UK, in America, or whatever around the world you find yourself. Just to add a little bit of accessory, elevating my look. This is my outfit number one with my Babala bag. Of course, this is definitely giving French elegant, perfect for the summer, with a perfect size handbag. I just love the size of this handbag. Just look at that. And here we are. We're here for it, so I just love it. I'm so proud to carry this bag because it's giving luxury, it's giving expensive. And do not forget my discount code. My discount code is LM5927. is no difference. There is not any difference at all. The quality, the material, everything is basically the same. So treat yourself, ladies, to this beautiful handbag. You're going to have it in your wardrobe for so many years, and nobody will not even ask you whether is it or is it not. Yes, it is. Right, so thank you so much for watching today's video, my lovelies. If you loved this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. My name is La Martinez Mode. I talk about fashion, lifestyle, skincare as well. So if that sounds something that you'd like to connect with, please do not forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Take care.